Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save a video from Snap Video. So you can either hit that download button over here, just press on it, and it's going to download to your phone, or you can press the share button over here and press save, but it's downloading that video, so we'll just have to wait for it to load. Or if you want to cancel your download, you can do that by pressing the X button over here and it'll cancel the download for you. So the other way is by pressing share and by pressing save, and it's going to be saved to your gallery, I guess, on your phone. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.